Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi speed on Samsung Galaxy A57. So the simplest solution to this issue would be swiping down the control center and enabling the flight mode for a couple of seconds, then wait for this couple of seconds and tap the flight mode once again to let your networks restart all at once. If this didn't improve your Wi-Fi speed, then let's check the Wi-Fi settings. Hold your finger down on Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi details, and as you can see right now I am connected to 2.4 GHz network, but we also have the 5 GHz version of the same network. And the thing is that the 2.4 GHz has a better coverage area, a wider coverage area, while the 5 GHz networks have the better transmission speed. So if you stand close to 5 GHz router and connect to 5 GHz network, it will give you a significantly better internet speed. Also, if this is your home network, you can go to Wi-Fi settings, scroll a bit down, tap view more, and disable randomized MAC address. So you can change the randomized MAC to phone MAC, and this will also increase your device's network speed. And as the last resort, you can simply go to your device's settings, scroll down to General Management, Reset, and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network once again. Go back to connections, select Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to it. And then tap connect. Wait until you are connected, and that's it. Then also try to restart your smartphone if you're still experiencing slow Wi-Fi. This might also help you. Hold down the power button and volume down keys and select restart. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.